In front of you is the Mastenbroek CT12, a cutting-edge trencher crafted for precision across diverse applications. Its robust 6-cylinder, 252 horsepower engine, compliant with EU Stage V emissions, ensures power and sustainability. Equipped with SCR technology and a diesel particulate filter, the CT12 excels in efficiency, effortlessly slicing through tough terrains with a durable cutting chain. Used for deforestation, the giant D8 dozer efficiently clears large forested areas for agriculture, but poses significant environmental risks. In 2022, 12.7 million hectares of forest were lost due to demands for crops like soybeans and palm oil. While chain brushing is effective, it causes widespread destruction by uprooting trees and vegetation, highlighting the need to balance industrial power with environmental preservation. In the world of industrial machines, the Technic Hero Slag Taurus stands out as a rugged and powerful slag transporter designed for the toughest environments. Engineered to handle abrasive, heavy slag from metal smelting, it excels in efficient and reliable transportation. This robust machine meets demanding requirements, ensuring smooth operations even under the harshest conditions. Renowned for its leadership in marine civil engineering, Ashley Contracts utilizes the Hitachi EXTEN 1200 XXL triple boom long reach excavator for its most demanding projects. This specially modified machine excels in coastal defenses, dredging, scour protection, and underwater demolition, proving its exceptional capabilities in challenging conditions. Imagine a car that can transform into a towering robot with the push of a button. The Latrons is a real-life transformer, turning heads as it shifts from a sleek BMW into a full-scale humanoid robot. It's not just science fiction, it's here now. The MRT 3060 is a versatile rotating telehandler with a lifting capacity of 6 tons and a maximum reach of 30 meters. Designed for construction and industrial applications, it features 360-degree rotation, advanced stabilization, and precise controls, enabling efficient material handling in confined spaces. Its multifunctional design accommodates various attachments, enhancing operational flexibility. Ever wondered how colossal ships make their grand debut into the water? Ship launches are a spectacle of engineering marvels. Massive vessels glide gracefully from the dock into the sea, using precision hydraulics and powerful cranes. The Porsche sculpture in Prague is a dynamic installation showcasing iconic Porsche models mounted on sleek soaring pillars, simulating cars racing through the air. This modern artwork, set against Prague's historic backdrop, celebrates Porsche's engineering excellence and adds a contemporary touch to the city's landscape. Let's start with the legendary Caterpillar D8H, a pioneering medium track-type tractor introduced in 1958. Weighing in at 36 tons, it packs an impressive 270 horsepower punch. This versatile bulldozer is equipped with a detachable large blade and rear ripper attachment, making it a powerhouse for earth-moving tasks. Discover how this iconic machine transformed the construction landscape. The Svetruck TMF 2821 stands out as a robust log stacker, combining power with user-friendly operation and serviceability to boost productivity. It guarantees operators a safe and efficient work environment, using high-quality components and industry expertise for reliable performance in swift, secure, and cost-effective log handling. Teamed with the Volvo FH12 662 timber truck, it ensures efficient and secure timber transport operations in timber yards and logging sites. Introducing the colossal Caterpillar 797F, the world's largest haul truck. Weighing in at 600 tons and boasting a payload capacity of up to 400 short tons, 363T. This third-generation marvel features a powerful 4,000 horsepower engine. Compared to the 797B, it offers enhanced efficiency and cost-effectiveness, revolutionizing material handling. Are you ready to invest $5 million to own this mighty giant? Next we have the P&H 4800 XPC is a mining powerhouse, offering a 29-ton higher payload and an 18 cubic meter larger dipper capacity, which boosts efficiency by 30%. This giant fills a 363-ton truck in just 3 passes, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Standing 48 feet 3 inches tall with a 62-foot 2-inch height of cut, it's engineered for the toughest mining jobs. Although priced at $40 million, its advanced capabilities make it indispensable for large-scale operations. Introducing the Caterpillar 365CL excavator, a 73.4-ton powerhouse designed for demanding excavation tasks. Featuring a turbocharged Cat C15 Acert engine with 411 horsepower, it excels in reach and digging precision. Ideal for handling soft to medium materials like clay and earth, this excavator combines robust construction with advanced safety features for top performance on any job site. The Timberjack 1210 Forwarder is a winter warrior, effortlessly conquering snowy forests with ease. Its robust tracks grip the icy terrain, while its powerful engine and 12-ton load capacity ensure maximum productivity even in the harshest conditions. The log lift crane effortlessly handles massive logs, making quick work of timber extraction. The TR5300 trommel screen excels in high productivity, compact operations with its efficient tensioned screen and drum. Designed for ease of maintenance and simple adjustments, it features conveyors that align parallel to the ground, enhancing dust and wind control. The TR5300 also includes a maintenance access platform for the 74 HP Deutz TD 2.9L Tier 4 final engine, ensuring optimal performance and user convenience. The Cutter Soil Mix system transforms soil mixing with dual cutter wheels and cement slurry injection, producing a consistent mix for easy soil penetration and stabilization. It features flexible reinforcement options like steel beams, cages, or nets, and enhances water retention for effective, water-resistant cofferdams. Its efficiency and adaptability make it essential for diverse structural and environmental construction projects. Wow! Look at the Logset 6F GT forwarder tackle those swampy conditions. Its tracks plow through mud effortlessly, hauling 14 tons of timber with power and agility. With a robust engine and low maintenance needs, this beast keeps your logging operation running smoothly, no matter the terrain. The Fendt 1050 Vario tractor, with its impressive 500 horsepower, excels in preparing soil for potato cultivation. Its precision in creating efficient 4-row beds ensures optimal soil conditions, boosting productivity. This powerful and reliable machine is an essential asset for today's farmers, maximizing land use and efficiency. The QST3000D chainsaw from DAZZINI effortlessly handles marble and stone blocks with its robust CAT 432 motor and hydraulic circuit. Engineered for reliable performance around the clock, it endures all weather conditions. User-friendly features include adjustable inclination via backhoe stabilizers and remote control operation, making it a versatile and efficient solution. The Holmes PVF 320 is a robust snow removal machine, perfect for tackling heavy winter snowfall. Mounted on a tractor's front, it boasts a powerful rotating blade that swiftly clears snow, ensuring roads and pathways remain accessible. Its efficiency and reliability make it an indispensable tool in harsh winter conditions. The colossal Komatsu PC4000 paired with the custom-built Genesis 25555R shear. Weighing 426 tons, it slices through 80mm steel at 5500 psi. This behemoth excels in large-scale decommissioning projects with enhanced hydraulics and reinforced strength, making it ideal for dismantling power plants and industrial sites, ensuring unmatched reliability and performance. The CAT 994K is a heavy-duty wheel loader with a 1,739 horsepower engine, a 242-ton operating weight, and a 36 cubic yard bucket capacity. Designed for mining operations, it excels in material handling with advanced hydraulics and a spacious ergonomic cab, ensuring top performance and operator comfort in the toughest conditions. The scene unfolds with the stimulate demise of a colossal ship. As the vessel begins its slow, inevitable descent, it tilts ominously, sending powerful waves crashing around it. The ship's hull gradually vanishes beneath the water's surface, leaving a turbulent wake of foam and debris. The spectacle highlights the ship's grandeur and the monumental force of its sinking. This versatile plow efficiently installs drainage systems with precision. Equipped with a robust design, it handles various soil conditions effortlessly, featuring a maximum working depth of 1.2 meters and a plowing width of 50 centimeters. The machine's advanced hydraulics ensure accurate trenching and efficient tile placement, making it essential for effective drainage. Canon Industrial Muck Spreader Crusher Volvo. This heavy-duty machine, designed for spreading large volumes of material, was put to the test against the robust build of a Volvo. The challenge highlights the impressive power and durability of the spreader, showcasing its ability to handle even the toughest tasks beyond its usual agricultural duties. Have you ever dreamed of witnessing a plane transform right before your eyes? Prepare to be awestruck by a spectacle that challenges the limits of what's possible. The RMW 1500 ballast cleaning machine, crafted by Placer and Theurer, excels in maintaining high-speed railway lines like Hanover-Göttingen. Spanning 150 meters, it efficiently cleans up to 1,500 mm3 of ballast per hour using a 35 cm high excavating chain. Its clearing width ranges from 4.05 to 5.5 meters, ensuring precise track bed maintenance and seamless rail and sleeper renewal. The world's largest all-terrain rig, the AT120 from Ditch Witch, was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 lbs of pulling power and 15,500 ft-lbs of torque, this model enables limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology and 280 horsepower Stage 5 engine reduce environmental impact without sacrificing power. The AT120 boasts 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, providing extra power to drill through even the toughest soils. The CM Rubber Tire Shredder excels in tire shredding, making it a top choice for industrial and heavy-duty recycling. Its hybrid two-shaft design efficiently handles various materials for size reduction and processing. Patented knives, operating with precise tolerances, ensure clean cuts and long-lasting performance. Resharpenable up to 6 times, these knives enhance durability and cut operational costs. The CT718 compost turner, boasting 540 HP and a capacity of 5,000 tons per hour, revolutionizes composting with its superior efficiency and productivity. Weighing 25.9 tons, it features a low-profile frame for easy transport, new controls with a clear display, and advanced operator comfort including side and rear view cameras. Its FlexAir fan and adjustable drum height enhance performance and reduce operational costs. The K-Tech 1233 is a versatile earth mover designed for efficient soil handling across various job sites. With a heaped capacity of 33 cubic yards, this robust machine excels in any soil condition. Its modular, bolt-together design ensures cost-effective international shipping and minimal maintenance, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty tasks.